What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Cooks. We are back for another video out at Glendale Galleria. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy. Is it crazier than like when, you know, like before Christmas? Was it crazier? Yeah, I don't know. Adidas with 50% off. Oh, we're gonna have to check them out. Definitely gonna check them out. Man, I've been hitting mostly Nike outlets. I forgot how much of a pain in the butt this mall is. So huge, and this store right here is at the very end. Technically not a locker room by Lids, but pretty much. All right, let's go check out the apparel. I guess this is more of a locker or regular Lids compared to some of the other ones. You got the Pippen jersey going for $98. Got a few sizes. That's a large. That's a large, extra large. Up to XXL. The Ray Allen's jersey. These are going for $65, 65 bucks. Do get that 40% off. This is $98. I don't know if I said 98 bucks. Got a Rodman jersey right here, going for 98 bucks. Couple of those. Another Pippen. Got the what did they call it? The Gradient Pippen jersey. That's a L. It's a large, going for $90. McGrady jersey. Man. The Smith one was going for hella cheap at that other spot. Yeah, $65 for that one. The McGrady's only going for 60 bucks too. That's actually hella cheap. Yeah, 65 bucks. You do get 40% off on top of that. And then Petrovich, those are going for $100. Steve Smith, 65, and then that's it. Man, I thought they had more jerseys here. $10 beanies, got a bunch of those. New Era Angels beanies, Lakers beanie right here, go for 10 bucks. This is thick and it's actually really nice material. Holy crap, that's actually really nice. One with the ball on the head, got one of those, go for 10 bucks. Oh, this one's actually really nice. 10 bucks for this one, Lakers beanie. Baseball, got the Angels, also got Seahawks right there. I thought they had way more stuff, like none of this stuff is on sale. I thought they had way more stuff last time I came here. Maybe not. This one's fire, dude. This Lakers Kings jersey right here. This super dope. It is an extra large. It does have that sticker on it, so I think this is one of the 40% off ones. Oh, this is a youth. I was like, why is this Mitchell Ness Piazza jersey so cheap? It is a youth jersey. I think that's it. I don't really see much else on sale. With the $20 hats, remember? Anything that's marked 20 and under, go for 10 bucks. Oh, they're saying 25 or under? Anything with this? At that one store, there was a sign that said 20 and under. That's interesting. All right, we got Lakers fitted hats, go for 20. Dodgers. Okay. It's like what's it called? Oh, I don't know. The one with the Mexican one? Oh, no, it's an all-star game. Never mind. Knicks going for 20, down to 10. Raiders down to $10. You got a Niners. What's up with that color though? I'm not a fan of that. Lakers. More Lakers fitted hats, $10. Nuggets. I wonder if she's right about the 20 or under. Niners camo hat, 25. Cancer awareness going for 15. Lakers fitted going for 20. All these are 10 bucks. Rams hat. Oh, that's a pretty cool Kings hat. Going for $10. A bunch of Lakers hats. Oh. Here's the Suns snapback. And I swear this is on. Oh, okay. I think it is. I bet these were 40% off too, because it's marked $64. That's an XL. LeBron jersey. This is a XXL. They're 55. Maybe these are just priced as marked. 60 for Westbrook jerseys. I think that's about it. I did talk to one of the workers. They did say these are all priced as marked. That means this one is just, what is it called? 128. This one is fire, dude. The Lakers color. All right, let's go check out some other spots. Across the street at the Americana, they got the little water show going. I better not get freaking copywritten here, man. All right, let's go check out Nike. All right, do got Nike retail shop, Nike by Glendale. Let's go see what they got. Is it? Oh, 30% off? 30% off at the retail shop? Oh yeah, I've never seen that. That's crazy. Oh, we hoping to find something now. We gotta find something. Got some dunks right here. Oh, I've never even seen this dunk right here. Okay, this is all the women's dunks right here. And we got men's dunks right here. Or Jordans and dunks. We got the Jordans right there. Air Forces. Then we do got some Air Force One premiums. Okay. Yeah. 30% off for these. Wonder if I should grab this one. I did get one at Foot Locker, but I only got $10 off there. If I bought it here, I'd get $30 off. So I wonder if I should grab it and then return the one to Foot Locker. I'm thinking about it. This is a 9.5, so this is the size that I need. Would save 20 bucks. Got Metcon 8s, got a few of those. Those are going for 105 and then 30 off on top of that? Damn. Got these dunks. Everybody calling these Panda Dunks too. Dude, got these bad boys. Jordan 7s. Dude, getting 30% off Air Force Ones. That's actually fire. In the women's section, do got some J's. I don't know about these. Then some of the Elevates. I'm just not a fan of these either. That's dope. To be able to get 30% off of that. One thing I've never seen, they actually have sales items and then you get another 30% off on top of all this stuff. Never seen that. Price 39 is going for $91 and then 30 off. Dang it, I got to the front of the line. They said it's only off of select footwear. That's not what I saw that sign say. Oh, it says all apparel and then select footwear. Only off of the sales items. Ah, that's garbage. All right, let's go. Damn, big old line at the Build-A-Bear workshop. All right. Dude got a Foot Locker here. Let's see what they got, man. Let's see what they got. Their Pro Standard jackets are on sale. Normally $150 down to $100. These are just fire. I'm such a fan of these. Got fire. Got a few sizes left. Maybe just the big ones. XL, double XL. Yep. This is the Jordan section right here. I don't know what those are called. Couple of 12s in the bottom. Damn, I'm looking for some Uggs. They don't have them here. I'm looking for a few things. I don't really see them like that. All right, not too much interesting stuff. The forums on sale. Got some forums on sale. That's pretty dope. Nothing too crazy though. All right, I'm making this stop quick, I guess. All right, I am taking a look at Journeys because I gotta get something here. Oh my God, I need some Uggs for somebody and they don't got them. They don't got them. Oh my goodness, they're gonna kill me. Damn. They got them at this lady's Foot Locker, but I've seen them on sale. I don't want to pay retail for these. I think retail's like $160 or something. $150, man. I saw these for $120 just a couple days ago. God dang it, why didn't I just buy it? This is the only ladies Foot Locker in Los Angeles. OGs on sale. Got some dunks. Do got some forums on sale. Also got Superstars. You never see Superstars on sale. Stan Smiths, kind of like the price they should be. Then the Grant Hills, got a couple of those. That's kind of about it though, man. Not really much. Do got a Shoe Palace right here. Yeah, I'm definitely not stopping by. Like I said, there's just no point in stopping by stores that ain't legit. All right, let's look around here. They don't got the Uggs I'm looking for, just those things right there. Do got some Jordan 1 highs. This the Chanel's, I think. Oh, they do got the Uggs that I wanted and that I need, but I'm not paying regular price. Regular price like $150 or something. $160? Oh hell no. I've seen them for $120. I've seen the black one for $100. I should have got them. I'm so stupid. Grade school Jordans. Also got grade school LeBrons. I've not seen grade school LeBrons like that. I think it's the first time I've seen these. Okay. Bunch of these. I got these for Christmas present. I got a bunch of these for some peeps. They're $25, $40. I got all mine for $10. This one's down to $20. These don't keep you as warm though, because the inside's a little different. This has that furry stuff in it, and this just got Just regular cloth. That's down to 15 at least, or 25, my bad. All the Champs workers, they're all wearing blue shirts. This is what I'm wearing, and someone just asked me if they have a certain size of a sneaker. I was like, do I look like I work here, fool? Come on now, dude. LeBron 3s, super bronze. Kind of match with my Niners jersey. They got some Vans on sale. Lowlands going for 50 bucks. Skate Lows all going for 40. All right, man. I got certain things I need to buy. Hope this isn't too short. Oh man, these are fluffy as hell. Holy crap! Remind me of the Towlees. The Adidas one. Damn, soft as hell, man. No price tag. All right, two last stops. Damn, two last stops. They got JD right here, and then we also got the Adidas store. And I guess they still got some. Oh, these are grade school Jordan 2s, Dunks. All these dogs. Okay. Last chance section right here. Do got the Del Sol 13th. That's definitely a surprise. Haven't seen too many of those around. Always have to check behind the counter. Nothing behind the counter. Got a few Jordans. Here. Jordan 1 low. 100 bucks for these. The Jordan 1 low golf that I got this week. So much nicer. Yeah, this one's just Jordan 1 mid leather. That one has that nice tumbled leather all around. And look, they got two different Jordan 1 lows. Look, tumbled leather, no tumbled leather. Holy guacamole. Okay. That's interesting. We got the Kyrie Team Bank colorway going for $70. Witness 6s going down to 90. All right, checking. Gotta go check Adidas now. That's about it. All right, back to where we started. 50% off. Does it say most of the stuff? We dealt with this at Nike, man. Come on now. When it says 50% off, let's see what that means. Now I've seen a bunch of 40% off signs. It looks like it's not everything. Now it says up to 50% off. Yeah, I don't see any sale signs right here. Come on now, doggy. I don't see anything super dope either. I haven't seen anybody leave a comment about these. Are these any good? I don't know. I really haven't seen people talk about it. They're not really selling out like that either, but most sneakers aren't selling out. Got some, ooh, this is some nice ones right here. These are the 84 low forums that I'm talking about. Super nice leather. I'm not a big fan of that colorway, but the material's 10 times better, 100 bucks for that one. Okay, and then this one's 50% off because it is $48. More than 50% off, or at least normally 90, I don't know. But all right, starting to see some sales. These are going for 90. Trae Young 2s, not on sale. Go excluded from promotion sign. All right, so there are sale signs here and there. These are going for 100 bucks, so maybe that's 50% off. I see more sales on the women's section, but that's not even 50% off. What the hell? Dan Smith, they're getting us with that up to 50% off, $43 for that. These are all in the women's section, by the way. More Stan Smith, $28. This is juniors, I think, for kids. Yeah, I feel like their World Cup stuff for jerseys and stuff, probably pretty dope. These are the jerseys they have, 40% off. The Mexico jerseys, so $150, 40% off. But for most of the stuff, man, mediocre, dude. I'm out, dude. I'm out. Let's go. All right, next stop. Did hit up the Burbank. Is it the Burbank Town Center or something? Burbank Mall. Always dead here, but it is packed. There's actually a lot of cars parked. On the journey to get these Uggs, man. Let's see what's up with this. Journeys. Damn, and they don't got them. Oh man, I screwed up, though. I screwed up. Oh wait, they do got them. They were on sale at that other spot, though. They're not on sale here. What the hell? They were on sale at that other Journeys. Damn, do I have to go back to that Journeys? Culver City, I believe. Oh, never mind. They're on sale. Let me see what size I need. Oh, they probably don't even have the size I need because I need a smaller one. This is an 8. All right, don't have that in the size 6. Dang it. All right, since I'm here, might as well check out the Shoe Palace. Damn, we checking out a lot of stores in this vlog today. Okay. This is a super low volume store. I'm coughing, but I'm also tripping out. Look, those are on sale, but not these. The other location we saw this one on sale. That's interesting. We got the 13 still. Mids, more mids. Got some 9s. Twos. Got 2s available. Okay, okay. Size 9 right here. Do got some suedes on sale. These red ones. Dang, I thought all those colors. The red ones were on sale for a long time. I got these gray ones up here on sale as well. Okay. Got Chucks on sale. You never see Chucks on sale, but big size is only size 13. All the other Chucks, regular price. God dang, dude, how tight did you lace these up? Oh my goodness, look at this. It's like touching the ground and stuff when you're walking. Don't choke your laces that much, man. Come on now, that's not necessary. We've been seeing NMDs, also Ultra Boost. We've been seeing them on sale quite some time. Checking out the women's section. Got these things, and these, I don't know, I'm just not feeling those right there. Got the women's ones. This is the one with the pony hair. I doubt it's real. And then the Hyper 12s right here, Hyper Royal 12s. Dude got the LeBrons. Also got these, which I really haven't seen anywhere else. This is not released yet. This colorway not released. I've seen this at a couple shoe spots, but not too many other spots. They're more tempos, kind of a Chicago bread white color. I don't know, but I think that's about it, dude. About it, man. All right, we're out. They actually have a cobbler here. It's a shoe care and handbag repair. That's crazy. I didn't know they still existed. What the hell? Okay. I love stupid things like this. Like, okay, the bad guys are gonna be like, oh, okay, we can't carry firearms in here. So dumb. All right.